Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So today in this episode, we will learn about if statements and comments. So last video we learned about variables, strings, ints and print function. So today's video will be also exciting for the beginners. So one of my subscribers told me to zoom in into the video. So let's zoom in into the Visual Studio Code. And we'll have to use if. To use if, we also have to use else. So let's change the age equals to, let's just say 19, and then let's change the name to Dorothy. You could put any name as you wish. It's your choice. You gotta play with the program. You gotta make some small programs, play with it. When you play with it, you will learn more experience. So anyways, let's do if age is greater than 19, print I am older than you. And then let's put another print. Hooray, I am older than you. You could put any of these in these brackets. And on the else, let's do print I am younger than you. Okay, this is what it says. And to see the output, where do we go? We go to the CMD command prompt. For the Mac users, go to terminal, and for Linux users, obviously you have to go to the command prompt. We go to command prompt. Oops, why did I open command? CMD. So what do we do? For those people who have this python refresh.py in some other directory, please go to the directory, so like E or maybe D or maybe F. So let's zoom in, zoom into CMD. That seems very clear. So I have it on desktop, so I'll do CD desktop. It's on desktop. What's the name of the file? It is python refresher.py. Boom. So here is the output. So as age equals to 19 and it is not greater than 19, it would give the output I'm younger than you. So if we do 25, for example, and so if you press the up arrow, the last command you put on CMD, it will show up. So if I press enter, I'm older than you, hooray, I'm older than you. So easy, simple, boom. So if you put less than 19, so what would it show? Put python refresh.py again. Hello, my name is Tony, I'm 25 years old, I'm younger than you. So simple. So if we do if age equals to 19, what would it show? As 25 is not equals to 19, let's do python refresh.py again. It would put I'm younger than you. You could also do if not equals to is also a sign in Python. So what would this print? Let's just say if age is not equals to 19, then obviously you guys know the output, you guys are smart enough, and then I'm older than you, hooray, I'm older than you. If we do 19, let's just do 19 over here, and then python refresh.py, press enter, I'm younger than you. It's so simple, it's so easy to understand. Okay, let's try something new. Press enter, make a space over here, and then put a variable. Today is cold. You could put this as true or false. Put it as any. So I'll put it as true for now. I'll show you the false output also. So you go and have to delete this. Today is cold. So as today is cold is true, you will know the output right over here. Hooray, I'm older than you and I'm older than you. So as this is true, this would put the output in the if else section, but if you put it as false, what would it do? It would print this: I'm younger than you. Let's show you the output. I am younger than you. So this is how this program and Python works with if and else statements. You'll get to know more about this in the next videos, how if and else statements are so important in forming projects, in forming websites. It's like a common basic functionalities in Python where you have to learn. I'll put some documentations in the link below. For a web developer, documentation and reading is the most important thing. Like even for a programmer, if you get to learn more information, it would help in your projects and your experience. So I told you about comments. This is a comment. So what are comments? Comments are basically notes. You could type anything and then it will not affect your code. It will seriously never affect your code. You could type basically anything, look, and it will not affect my code. If I put save and then maybe this python refresher.py, bam, damn, it's working. It's working fine. It's working lovely. And so there's another comment where it's 3 quotations. So let's just show you. If I put 3 quotations over here, 1, 2, 3, and see how the color changes. This is what Visual Studio Code or any text editor does. So if you notice, if I delete this, the color changes to white. My color changes to white if I delete the 3 line of comments, but at the same time when I do 1, 2, 3, the color changes to comments. So which signifies this is a comment. This line of code is a comment. So this is how the colors are really important in Visual Studio Code, how it helps to signify which are variables, which are integers, which are comments, and it will help for the programmer to make his work more suitable and more to be visualizing. So if I click save, if I just delete this, so I think this would be the end of this video. So what did we learn? We learned about if else statements and we learned about comments. So, and then the last video we learned about variables, strings, integer, and the print function. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share this video, and please subscribe. And if anyone needs help, contact me or maybe have your doubts in the description below or maybe in the comment section. I'll surely help and reply. So take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.